Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to step on today's video? I'm going to show you how to resize designs in Canva. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Now, you have to open the app and sign in. Once you sign in, on your screen, you can see there are options like Home, Projects, plus Sign, Templates, and Pro. You have to select on Projects and you can find the design you want to resize. Now, tap on the design. It might take a few seconds. Now, on your screen, you have to tap on the design and you can see the purple line appearing right outside your design. Now, you have to tap on the small circle available at all the four corners and drag it to the size you want. Once you get your perfect size, all you have to do is find that three-dot menu right above the image, tap on it and find that set image as, tap on it, and guys, that's it. That's how you resize the design using Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.